Hello, ladies and germs. It's Mr. Harris here, making a quick video to go over the motor challenges for the EV3s, NXTs, and the EV4s. This video is just going to explain a couple tips and tricks that I recommend you guys doing, and then it's going to explain the things that you need to get done in class. Okay, I have a 5 minute limit on this video, so we're going to go on right away. So to start off, on this little presentation, there are some tutorial videos that kind of explain some of the things in the programming and how to set up the robots. Um, as we go down, these are all important things for you guys to know, especially when it comes to the brick. All right, there's certain parts that are numbered, and those are the input parts, and the lettered parts are the output parts. So the inputs are our sensors, and our letters and our outputs are our motors. Okay. Same thing with the NXTs. They're up here, which are motors, and down here, numbered, which are our sensors. For the basic, you don't even need to worry about the sensors at all right now. We have ports A, B, C on NXTs, and we have A, B, C, and D on the EV3s. Port A, you should always have the arm connected to port A, so A for arm. And then B and C are going to be your motors, your big main motors that are going to be driving the wheels of your robot. Okay. If you need more help with that, come find myself or Mr. Singer. Okay. Next page here is how to use the port view to measure in degrees and rotations. This is very important that you use port view. When you go into port view and you click on and then you actually click on it, it's going to show up with this screen here on the EV3s. And what you're actually going to do is you're going to take your robot and just drive it forward the distance that you want, and then look at the port view, and it's going to tell you exactly how many degrees your tires rotated. That's what you're going to input into the program. Okay, and the NXTs, it's a little bit longer of a process to get to the port view, but you're going to go to View. You're going to click over until you find motor degrees, and then you're going to select the port that you're trying to measure. So in this case here, we have port A. That's going to be measuring the movement of the arm. Once you get in there, then you just simply move the arm or drive the robot forward, and it's going to tell you the amount of degrees. Remember, the thing with the NXTs, though, is if you are measuring port B, you need to select port B or C. Okay. So using the port view, you can measure how far something goes forward, backward. You can measure one tire and see how many degrees that one tire needs to spin to do a left or right turn. Port view is really helpful in making sure that your programs are accurate and they accomplish the task at hand. Okay, so we're going to skip this stuff right now. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. We're going to go to the challenges. First challenge, you're going to start at in our case right now, the blue line, drive forward and stop on the black line. What you just need to do after that is accomplished, you need to take a quick video of your robot doing that, and then you need to screenshot your program and put that right in this box here. Next one, you're going to go from the line here, you're going to go to the next line here, and then back and end on the black line. So in our case, it's actually going to be blue. So start in the blue, go to the blue, back to the black. You can either go in reverse or you can turn your robot around and come back to here. Same two things afterwards. You need to put your video and your program in. Next one is a 90-degree turn. Following that, we have our 180-degree turn. Again, video and program for each. Then we have two more, and I'm going to have you guys do one of them as required. You can choose. The first one is you're going to just go around these silver plates in the tables and around the hash marks, and you're going to end in the black line. The second one is very similar, except you're going to do kind of like an S shape around the silver plates, and again, you're ending in the black line. Okay, only one of these is required. Again, you're going to need your video, and you're going to need your screenshot program. But again, only one is required. Okay, if you finish one and there's still time, I'm going to have you do the second one for extra credit. All right, if you need any help, come find myself or Mr. Singer. Thanks, guys.